Ravers, you name young Ravers.
Hi guys, I'm Adellia Hamilton and check out my interview at TheDuttyBerryshow.
Alright, box cover Duttyberry here, and I'm with the lovely Adellia Hamilton. You can say hi to the people.
Hi.
Alright, no, I was at the Prime Minister Youth Award recently, and I saw this girl join stage with Ding Dong and Ravers Clavers, and she go on with a bag of things. And my question was that, how would this little girl have so much confidence? Because when me in a primary school, if anybody asks for a volunteer, I would not be the person to go up and to, show myself in front of people. But you were very confident and bold and seemed as if you enjoyed yourself. Enjoyed dancing, right?
Yes, sir.
So you weren't nervous at all?
No, sir. Not at all. No.
So why does it seem that dancing comes so easily to you? Like, is it something that your mother taught you? Or you are the person teaching your family members how to really dance?
My mother taught me.
Okay, so talk to us about that. Like, did you catch the dancing thing from really quickly, or it took you a while to get good at it?
It took me a while, but I caught on to it.
You find that you have your other friends are also good at dancing, or are you like the best?
My other friends are good at dancing, but yeah, I can dance better than some of them.
Okay, so what is your favorite dance move right now? Like when you say you want to really have fun, what's that dance move?
I think
You catch a stir fry?
Oh yes, I catch a stir fry.
And the leg of the bird?
Yes, I catch.
So you're on TikTok too?
Yes.
Oh, so that means that you know all of the latest dances?
Yes.
So later on when I ask you to teach me something, you'll be willing to teach me a few of your moves?
Oh, yes.
You sure about that?
Yes.
I don't want to go out and then flop on Adelia. Because I feel like you're going to laugh after me. Alright, so tell me about you participated in JCDC?
Yeah, I participated in JCDC.
Mm-hmm.
And my club, Performing Arts, we went to JCDC, I think last week, Friday, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And when I was in infants, infant school,
yeah,
I did speech at JCDC as well.
Oh wow, and you enjoyed that as well. So you're not just a dancer, like you're what you call it, like a triple threat, multiple talented extraordinaire.
Yes.
So when you talk about speech now, what does speech entail? Like you have to learn a poem?
Yeah, you have to learn a poem. But it was kind of really hard to catch the poem because we had to do all of these different moves with your hands and you have to speak.
Oh, the expression part.
Yeah.
Like, what a guan in Jamaica, we are suffered. Stuff like that? Why are they laughing after me? You're telling me that you would give, don't I sound like I deserve a gold medal?
Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna give me a gold medal?
Yes.
Okay, so you do speech, you do dancing. How are you in school now? When it comes to having the book work and have to be studying and all of that?
Yes, I'm good at that too.
Oh no, Adelia, so tell me what you're bad at. What is it? That you can cook?
No,
Oh, okay, finally, because I have to wonder everything that you're good at. You draw?
The draw?
Mm-hmm. Draw, so you're not good at that. Oh, finally. See, we're making progress now. But when it comes on, what about singing?
Singing? Yes, I can sing, but I don't really do it a lot.
Oh, it's not your favorite right now?
Yes.
But you wouldn't mind, probably in the future, you might do
I
it.
wouldn't mind.
Okay, so tell me, what is it like being, I'm going to say this, such a talented kid? Do you find that a lot of your friends might be jealous of some of your accomplishments?
No, they're not jealous.
Mm-hmm.
They can dance. They're not really jealous of me because they don't really know that I can dance like that. So I don't know if they're jealous, but what I know, they're not jealous because I don't think they know that I can dance.
Oh, okay. How did you really discover that you can dance this well? Because I thought that you were going to dance like an 8-year-old, but I'm telling you, you're dancing better than many of the adults that I see on TikTok. And you put in your own rhythm and your own flair, and the fact that you were able to take charge. Now, Ding Dong is like Mr. Dance himself, you know, in Jamaica. And you were able to go toe-to-toe with him on stage and lead the entire pack of Ravers Clavers. There was no fear, and I'm like, how? So, like, you know, like, when did you discover that you were that good? Because, you know, some people can dance, you know, but not everybody, Adellia, is a dancer. When did you know that you were really this good?
I think when... I don't really know, but I know that my mother, anytime when I didn't know anything, like, any of the dance them, she, like, taught me or told me to do this, or when we were doing what call it, flaring.
Oh yeah,
she
the shoulder fling and
yeah, and when we were doing umbala, she told me to put the rhythm into the umbala.
Oh wow, yeah. That's my favorite part of umbala, you know. Umbala. That move right there. Yeah, man, favorite part of it. I can't. Oh yeah, and then this and then yeah, and then we'll so try a little something later on though. But wow, this is really nice. So this is just like the work of like proper parenting and being able to guide you. Now, I'm gonna ask mommy off the camera now, right now. Mommy, like when did you realize that you had like such a gifted child?
Well, it's natural for her. Because I was like that when I was young. I was very brave. Not now though.
Oh.
Choreograph dancing now.
Oh.
Yes, so.
Okay, so it was in the genes.
Yes. If you notice when she was on stage, she was doing a little drama thing to it. She loves that. She loves the aesthetic part of the school. Academic is okay.
Yeah.
She loves the aesthetic.
Oh, you recognize that you have a creative child.
Yeah.
It's here now.
Oh, I took a picture with you
Everybody,
hey.
when the walker walk, just fall in with the walk. Okay?
And let me just say this, you know, to the parents who are out there in Jamaica. I always say that at some point, you know, all of us can't be like, you know, just like the super nerdy child and just like focus on that. There are people who are good at sports. There are people who are all-rounded. There are people who are going to be in the creative arts. And it's nice when you have like people in the family, especially the parents, who are able to spot the talent and nurture it and say, you see this thing? This is a special gift, you know, and you know the world can make a space for it, and we'll see the evidence right here. Now, Mummy, would you be open to Adellia like becoming like one of those Disney-esque type of child stars in terms of opportunities? Maybe Adellia can host her own program, be a brand ambassador for a company, you know, promoting like children's stuff. Would you be open to these type of opportunities for your daughter?
Definitely, once she's proper guided. Of course.
Alright, so you see it right there in a corporate Jamaica right here, Adellia Hamilton. Just tell the people them hi. Tell corporate Jamaica hi right now.
Hi, corporate Jamaica.
Yeah man, those are all of the business places, all of the sponsorship people with the commercials that can probably put your talent out there. And who knows, music video on top of music video. Now speaking of that, this with Ding Dong, that wasn't the first time that you shared the stage with an artist. I heard that you did something with the Yaksta as well.
Yeah.
Tell me about that.
Okay, so when I did it with Yaksta, I think it was like in summer break.
Oh, during the summer.
Yeah.
And you had fun there too.
Yeah, I had fun there. I didn't carry myself on stage because I was sitting down and then Yaksta saw me and then he said come, and then my mommy carried me on the stage and then he lifted me up on the stage.
So Yaksta knew of your talent, that you know you were a good performer.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I know hopefully more Jamaican people can find out about this girl. Now, you have a social media where people can find you and support you? Who wants to talk on that? Like, you do, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you know the name of it?
No, I
We're just gonna ask someone. What's the name of her page? Okay, no, it's cool. Adellia Hamilton. So if you want to probably reach out and stuff, somebody from your team will be able to like communicate and etc. etc.
Yes.
All right. Now at this point in time in Adellia, I'm going to ask you to teach me a few moves. Now, I don't know if I'm very good as you are, but I'm going to try my very best. Do you think that you can teach me some of your awesome moves right now?
Yes, I think so.
You don't sound like you're confident in Adellia. You sound sure, so you can teach me a couple of your moves so I can look as good as you on stage.
Yes, I think so. Yes.
All right. People, well, after this little, break right here, we're going to say Adellia teach me some of her moves. So check it out and rate me.
Young Ravers, your name Young Ravers. So youngie Ravers, I'm going to lead out with the walk. Yeah. Don't look behind you. This is how we are going to show you, say, a child shall lead the way. God is good. Okay. Listen now. Youngie Ravers, don't look behind you. Just walk. Do anything where you want to do. Everybody have to follow. Only yourself have to follow behind your Ravers. Everybody there to fall in when they pass, you know. We understand again then? We take it now. All right then. See the one. Go on. See the one. See the one. See the one.
Alright, so now it is time for the dance tutorial with my teacher right here, Adellia. You ready to teach me?
Yes, I'm ready to teach you.
Okay, so what song am I learning today? What you dance?
Umbala.
Okay, step to the front and give me the tutorial. No, what am I supposed to be doing now?
Okay, first you do this.
Oh.
Then this. Then this.
Come like me, I hit
Then
mosquito.
this.
Like mosquito, man, I say, whoa, Jesus speed, watch it. Alright, ready? Okay.
Okay.
So it goes first.
This.
Oh, but you do something like
This.
okay, yeah.
Then this.
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 Okay, then this. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so we can catch a song. I think I know the song. Umbala. And something like that, right?
Yes.
Okay, then what now?
Okay, then you do rifle walk.
Oh.
Yes, rifle.
I need them right now, you know, like them quick. Me don't want you laugh after me, but something like this. And then what now?
And then you do this.
Oh.
And then you do this side.
Oh, you put on the little extra. You just see, I give me too much this somehow. Why I could have just do this? Why me have to think about for a clapping at the middle light? Then after that, then what now? That's it?
No, then this.
God, Jesus Christ. That's crime, Adellia, man. All right. Oh, gosh. You think we can try it now?
Okay.
Can somebody cue the music for me? May I save my energy for like when I do it, man, because I got clash. I don't really want to show you all of my tips them now, all my tricks them. I wait until when, you know, really bring it. All right, ready? You're going down, Adellia.
I'm ready to say reach though, yeah. I'm done.
Alright, give me a high five. Can't someone never try? Well, that is it enough. Thank you so much, Adellia, for spending time with me to talk to me and let me know a little bit more about you. And people, get to know this face, you know, because this girl is such a talented girl, just 8 years old. And tell Jamaica anything that you want to tell them and big up all your friends or whosoever. You can go ahead now.
Okay. Big up all of my friends at Clonmel. And big up Andrew Ones, the Prime Minister. And
all
big
right.
up everybody in Jamaica.
Oh, wow, that is nice. Well, people, make sure say go and follow her right here. And if you want her for bookings or anything her family say, once the thing legit, that they'll be open to having conversations. All right, so thank you so much, Adellia. Take care. Oh, wait, before you go away. So you can't say box cover? She can't say box cover? All right, so I have my catchphrase, which is box cover. You go so? And you say box cover.
Oh.
All right, so looking at the camera and say it now, because you have to say it once you're on the TheDuttyBerryShow. Box cover.
Oh, box cover.
Come on, more energy, man.
Box cover.
All right, that is it. Bye-bye.